Hello, friends. Imagine a situation where you have one answer for all your questions. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. In certain specific cases, it is possible. You have heard of a word called panacea? That is it. So, here you see behind me, there is a 9 written on the whiteboard. Uh, we will be discussing 9 in greater details. The properties of 9, characteristics of 9, the curiosities about number 9, the mathematical operations with number 9, and what is so specific and so beautiful about number 9. Number 9 is a beautiful number. It's a very powerful number. It is the highest number in our decimal system, single digit highest number, right? There is nothing above number 9. And number 9 is very much needed number. You know, stitch in time saves 9. So this is the time for the magic trick. Forget the stitches. Okay, so how do you play this magic trick? We will talk about mathematics of 9 in coming videos. A lot of things we will talk about. So we will start as usual, like we do in our classes, with some fun exercise. The fun is this. This is a magic trick. Here you find somebody to play with, and second thing you need is some blocks, some coins, Lego blocks, whatever, and place them in a form of a 9. Form of a 9 means there will be a circle here and there would be a tail of 9. Okay, so once you are done doing this, you count the number of blocks that you have. This is second thing. And third thing, you ask your partner with whom you are playing, you tell him or tell her, look, you give me a number larger than the number of blocks I am using. Suppose here I am using 40 blocks. So I will ask her, give me a number larger than 40. Okay, so she think up of a number. She will think up of say 42. Okay, so I will tell her, look, your number is 42. You follow a path on this 9. In the trail of 9, we call this game trail of 9. You follow the trail, and I will tell you in advance where your trail is going to end. The only condition I have is you follow the trail in the predefined manner. What is that predefined manner? The predefined manner is very simple. You start with your number, like she has thought of number 42. You start counting 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 42 like this. And when this trail meets this circle, there you take a turn. Turn where? Turn counterclockwise. And continue counting your numbers. Like here it is 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 like this. Count till to 45, whatever number it is there. When you reach the number, stop there. Reverse your track. Then reverse your track. Reverse your track. So reverse means still you have to count till 45 or the number you have decided. And as a mathematician, I will tell you where your trail will end. That's the trick. And it's a very interesting trick, but if we do it with an example, then it will make, you will understand it more. So to summarize, you need two things. One, you need a willing partner who is ready to play with you. And second you need is some blocks, Lego blocks or coins. You place them in this form. Your partner has to agree to two things. One, she will use a number that is larger than the number of blocks here. Second, she must agree to follow the trail that you give her. And what is your promise? Your promise is you will tell her where her trail is going to end before the game starts, in the middle of the game, but very well before the end of the game. You will tell her where your trail will end. There is one more beautiful thing about this game. In a given set where you have set the game, you don't disturb the blocks. Your answer holds true for all the numbers above the number of blocks used. Suppose I decide to use 40 blocks here. In 40, I tell after some, we will tell you how to arrive at that decision. Our mathematician will tell you. Suppose my answer is this. This is for number 42. For this given set of blocks, this number, this position will hold true for 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 85, 92, 102, whatever number above 40, this position will hold true. This is the beauty of this game. One solution for all your problems. So what you do? You just give them a position, this is where your number will end, and leave them to play by themselves. They will continue playing, they will come, oh my goodness, 45 ended here. Now I will come up with 46. Then again they will count 46. This will also end here. When will come 42? It will end. 46 will end here. 56 will end here. 85 will end here. Everything will end here. The only thing you have to learn now is how to arrive at this position where your thing will end. This we will definitely tell you. But for now, let us play this game and see. I will come up with a number and my mathematician will tell me where my number will end. So that way you will learn how to play it in a one set. And then in that given set, how to arrive at the end position, that you will learn while first we say how to play, and then second thing. After that, what we will do? What if I want to, because you said it is a panacea, one solution for all. So that means in this given set, this is the answer, right? It is like a key. This is where it will end. Any number will end here. Fine. But what if I want to change the game? If you want to change this game, then you have to take away some blocks from it or add some blocks to it. Then this position will change to some other position. That our mathematician is expert in all this. He will guide us how to change the game and how to arrive at the end position. So we have to go and request our mathematician to appear and tell us, because I can't play the game alone and I need my mathematician. So Mr. Mathematician, kindly प्रकट होइए और हमारी मदद कीजिए. सारे लोग आपका इंतजार कर रहे हैं.
I am here.
So our mathematician is here. His name is Mr. Shashwat Swaroop, the magician.
Yes.
So, Mr. Magician,
Yes.
as you told me, I already grabbed some. I don't have the coins. I had some magnets that I stole from the motor and used it and set it up like this. Okay?
From
Now-
my DC motor.
Yes. Now this game is set up. I know the number of blocks here.
Mm-hmm.
As you told me, I told the viewers that I will think up of a number above the number of blocks here. But I don't know where the game is going to end. So that please help us. So you still have your magical powers intact, or you have lost the magical powers?
I have my magical powers intact, but just I have to come here.
Okay, so we will swap the places. I will go to this side and our mathematician will come here. Okay. So the game starts now. First I will count how many total number of blocks are there. Okay, you also do the same. Let me count. But I will count in Hindi because he doesn't know Hindi.
Yes.
It will make like we always take an opportunity as a learning opportunity. So this is an opportunity for him to learn some Hindi words, Hindi counting. So when I say him adsat, he says, "Ha, what is adsat?"
Huh?
So I will count in Hindi, so he will get some practice of Hindi as well. Okay, excuse me for that, and you also will get some practice of Hindi. Okay.
Mm.
Okay, so I will count how many number of blocks we have. This is the first exercise. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 17
17
17 हाँ
17 से इधर मोड़ का
17
है आपको, इधर मोड़ का है, इधर मोड़ का।
18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45।
इधर आपका खत्म हो गया।
So भाई साहब we have
अब
45 blocks. We have 45 blocks. What is this game? What is this?
लग गया ना, इधर खत्म हो जाएगा ना।
This is the key to this puzzle.
Yes.
Every number is going to end here, or only 45 is going to end here.
Every number is going. फिलहाल तो 45 इधर एंड होगा, बाकी तो
Oh.
फिर बाकी देखेंगे क्या एंड होता है नहीं होता।
अच्छा, then you will reapply your magical powers.
Yes. But one time let me cross check here that did I put it wrong or not.
Okay. Okay. I will start counting.
Okay.
And you give me the answer. Is this going to end here or not? So our mathematician has already decided where the number is going to end. 45 is the number of blocks. I have not even decided which number I am going to play with, but this mathematician has already decided where the number will end. He says all your numbers will end here. I wonder where he gets his magical powers from. Where do you get your magical powers from? By eating spinach, or by eating pumpkin, or by eating broccoli,
I don't get.
or by eating idli? What is your source of magical powers?
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Okay, so here we are. Now I will think up of a number. Okay, so I am thinking of a number. Number I think is 52. Okay, let us start with an even number. So I am starting with 52. 52 is the number, and what we do is 52 should end here. This is the D. So I will start, but again I will count in Hindi. Okay, I will count in Hindi. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. When you reach the circle, you turn towards counterclockwise. Okay, 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52
मतलब
52 ended here. Okay, so you understood how it has to be done. From here you start 1 2 3 4, go where this meets the roundabout. From roundabout you take a
U-turn.
not U-turn, you enter the roundabout
U-turn.
and take the first exit counterclockwise and travel counterclockwise till your number ends. You reach your number. So you reach, we thought of 52.
42 आ गया इधर।
We
42 से
we reached 52. When you reach 52, do nothing, just reverse your direction and start counting 52 as 1.
Yeah.
Here,
Now you reset 0. Now you reset 0.
yes, you reset your position and make it as 1. This is how you have to play. You have to ask your opponent to play like this. Okay, your friend, or you call victim or friend or opponent or proponent or component.
Maybe I will make a robot for playing this trick.
Okay. So we start again, clockwise. 1. Why I am saying 1? I will say 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51
Baban.
We ended up where our mathematician predicted. So, Mr. Mathematician, this time you were lucky and we ended up in your given spot.
Okay.
Now,
Fun.
So this time you were lucky. We ended up at your point. Was it luck?
No, I'm 100% sure it will come here. I have used PVC pipe glue plus crazy glue and I will stick it there.
He says whatever number I choose, I will end up here. So I choose. This time it is 45. Why not choose an even number this time? So we choose even number. What is the most dangerous even number? I choose a square number now.
Oh,
A square number, that is also an even number. Why it is a square number?
No, this
49?
is not odd.
It is an odd number, but it is a square of 7 or not?
It is a square of 7. It is. 64 also you can choose.
No, but 64 is an even number. I could choose 64.
Oh, but anyway, you choose 49.
I
no problem.
choose 49 because it is one less than a century and it is a beautiful number. 49.
49?
When a batsman is at 49, he is scared because he said, "Oh, I must get that one score." So he is very careful. So we will also be very careful counting it. So do you want to change the position?
No.
Do you want to revise your position? I have chosen 49 now. Do you want to
No.
revise your position?
Have you changed the number of blocks?
No, I have not changed the number of blocks either in the circle or in the tail. I have not changed anything. So your position, you want to hold your position.
Yes.
This is what? Okay.
Okay.
So you
Crazy
say,
glue put it.
he says 49 will also end here.
I have got crazy glue.
Your crazy glue is making me crazy.
Crazy glue or pipe
Okay.
glue, the both are same.
So 9 is a very mysterious number. And equally mysterious are your ways.
Oh, that's why you choose 49 because 9 trick you're playing and then 9 ends there. Oh.
So I think something related to 9 I should choose. So let us see if it works. And 9 is a beautiful number.
Yeah.
You know, in Akbar Darbar, you know Akbar and Birbal? Birbal
no.
was one of the Navaratnas. Navaratnas means in Akbar court there were 9 people. They were called Navratans. Navratans means they were most precious. And one of them was Birbal. Navratnas, 9 people who were Ratnas. Ratnas means most precious. Vikramaditya, in his court also there were 9 Ratnas. So 9 is a very precious number. 9 is also said when you are very happy, where you are? On cloud 9.
9 cloud.
And 9 is also related to cat's life.
9. Yeah.
Cat has how many lives?
9 lives.
Cat has 9 lives.
And by the way, if you drop a cat by a safe height, it will not. If you put it upside down, it will rewind its position. And one fact
So
about
9 is an awesome number. See, whenever we do something, whenever we do some mathematics, we should bring the fun in. If there is no fun, there is no fun in learning. Then it becomes not a very interesting exercise. So here we are doing mathematics also, having fun also. This is the way
Harshad
we
number?
want to learn it.
Harshad means?
Harshad means a happy number. So I wrote here 9 is a square number, you know it. 9 is a lucky number also.
Yeah, 9 is lucky number.
9 is a lucky number.
That's
And 9
why-
is a Kaprekar number. 9 is a Kaprekar
Oh,
number. And 9 is an interesting number. So now
That's
back
why.
to our job 49.
And also that's why when it is a lucky number, that's why seat 9 in the plane is expensive than other seats.
So I will start 49 counting. Okay?
Okay.
Again asking you, you want to lose or win? You want to keep your bag here?
I want to do it with super duper glue.
And what is this super duper glue? Whatever.
Super duper.
49. So we are starting. I will go up to 49. So the deal is I will go to the tail, follow the trail of the tail,
Trail of the tail.
and then take a turn
Right.
counterclockwise till 49. At 49, I will reset, make it 1, and then count clockwise. So
Oh.
49 starts, but in Hindi again, okay?
Hindi.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 49. So our 49 ended here. Okay, 49 ended here. So we will change the reverse the direction now. So we will make it 1 now. 1 no एक
What?
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49. Again we ended up at 49.
That is
What is
fascinating.
going on? One answer for all the questions. Is it a panacea?
Panacea?
Is it the key? The only one key for the lock? And here is the lock. There is only one key for this. This is what my mathematician tells me. And there is only one solution for this. Whatever number you plug in, it will end here. This is what my mathematician has told me. So now two things are remaining. First, how the trick works. Second, can we change the position from here? Like in this game, only one position is there. Only one solution for this trick. Only one solution. Whatever number you plug in, we played with 100. It gave me the sum. You want to play with 111? Tell me. I will make it 111.
Oh no, that
Are
would
you
be a
confident
big
with
problem.
111? If I choose 111, will it also work?
Yes, when you will sing Hindi 111, that would be.
111. 111.
Oh, 111. Okay. I
So,
know now.
do you want to revise your position?
No.
Okay, fine. So I will start 111. Let us see 111 it works or not. So we will say 100. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70 71 72 73 74 75 76 77 78 79 80 81 82 83 84 85 86 87 88 89 90 91 92 93 94
I know 80 only and I don't know any number.
4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 तो भाई साहब 111 ended here.
So yeah.
So when you reach 111, you will reset your pedometer, your step counter to 1. So we reset it to.
And don't forget to put your car in the back gear.
Oh yeah. No. I would rather take a U-turn, भाई साहब.
No, do you take your car in the back gear?
No. Oh, not reverse.
Oh, reverse, then you have to keep singing like this.
Okay,
and then-
so I will count till 111, and his claim is I should end here. Let us see if his claims are right. If his claims prove to be right, then we would somehow
Right.
request him to reveal how did he find the answer. If he is willing, if he is gracious, he will share his answer with us. Would you be willing to share your magic trick with us how to arrive at this position?
I will, sure.
Okay. So I am going back. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 50 अरे शंकर महादेवन का ब्रेथलेस नहीं मेरे सामने 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70 71 72 73 74 75 76 77 78 79 80 81 82 83 84 85 86 87 88 89 90 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 100 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9
10 11
10
11
it ended here. Okay, so we are beaten. We trust you completely, and we believe you, and we kindly request you, oh, Your Highness, Mr. Magician, to please reveal your trick. If you are gracious enough, we would be grateful.
Oh yeah.
How do you arrive at this is the game? How do you find the key position where all the numbers are going to end? Okay, please reveal your ideas and your tricks.
First of all, don't hate mathematics. Second, don't believe in lucky or non-lucky number. All the numbers are lucky or non-lucky, whatever you believe. All the numbers are exactly the same. All the numbers are lucky and all the numbers are unlucky.
So these are the two
Third.
things we must remember. And what is the third formula?
Third formula is this.
So you are going to tell us how to arrive at the key position.
Okay.
Then will you let me become the math magician?
Yeah, that happened also. You are also in front of the camera and you can hear my voice
Okay.
clearly. So you can also see. Okay. So what you have to do? Simple. I will
So
read it.
here comes the way to find the key position, the peg position, the panacea of this,
Panacea.
the solution to this.
What is the
key.
meaning of panacea?
One solution for all.
Panacea.
Like Amrit.
Amrit.
एक बार पी लिया हो गया काम. Finish. No problem after that.
Kabhi he will not
So
die.
this is like a solution for all the problems, right? This is one solution for all the problems. You come up with any problem, here is the solution.
Panacea.
Like
Counting. Like he counts like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15,
14,
14,
16, 17.
17. So when he comes to 17, I know counting in Hindi till 20. This much I know. And some other numbers I have somehow memorized. And this much I know. Till 20 I know all the numbers and I know some other numbers too. So 17. So now 17 I know means 17. Now 17, simply what I will do, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. This is our mark. Simple, isn't it? See, one, now when he goes like this, I go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. That's certain.
I get it now. So what he is proposing is, how he finds the answer is, simply whatever 9 you lay out on the floor, count how many blocks are there in your tail. Tail is tail. How many blocks are there in the tail? I will count here. I have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So if there are 17 blocks in your tail, your answer lies at 17th place clockwise from the point where this tail meets the circle. So this tail meets here. Okay, this tail meets here. So this is the point. From here, how many points I have to calculate? The number of same, right? Number of blocks in the tail. So if your number of blocks are 17 in your tail, so where it meets the circle, from there go clockwise, count 17 blocks, and 17th position is your key. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So he placed the peg here, he placed the marker here, that all your numbers are going to end here, because this 17 is equal to the number of blocks in the tail. It is the key. This is how you find the key. Suppose you have 8 blocks in your tail, so simply where the tail meets the circle, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 you place your marker. 8th is where all the numbers are ending. But before getting a victim, try it yourself. Maybe you make a mistake here. So most of the time the mistakes are here. Be very careful. See,
Here we don't have to go. Now, please don't go la 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 like you start counting here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So your 17 will end here, and then you will give your answer here.
so
So
from
please
here
try
you
it.
say, like, you make a mark like this. From here you are turning. From where you are turning counterclockwise, the very next block is your 1 block. Where you are turning counterclockwise, the very next block is your 1. So I would ask 1, 2, 3, 4, 17, and then turn clockwise. So this is your first block. Okay, so this is the way you find your answer to the key. Now what our mathematician's claim was, his claim is that if we change the number of blocks, he can still find the answer. Should we try one example with that? So we will take away, should we take away or should we add? Okay, we remove 1 block and 2 blocks from here. So the number of blocks now are not 17 but 15 now. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the blocks in the tail are 15. We are giving you an example so you can handle all kind of situation and make your own game. You know we are more keen on not remembering things and not letting you remember many things. We teach you how to make the game. So now you can make your own game. Now you see there are 15 blocks. So 15 blocks means a different position. The number will not end here now. It will end at a different place. And what is the different place? You already know. Count the number of blocks in the tail. Where it is you are turning from there, count same number, that's your position. So can you please explain where the number will end now?
See,
New
what
number?
is 15?
I will erase this.
Why I'm doing it with the magnet? The magnet will stick to magnet. That's obvious.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. till 50.
So 15th block is your answer. This is where your number will end. Here. This time I have placed the marker vertically.
Oh.
So should we try one number? So when we took away 2 blocks, this number became 45. No, it became 43 blocks. So I can take a
any
number, any number. So you know now how to find your key position and how to change your key position when you play a different game. So now he says earlier it was here. Now all the numbers will end here. So should we try with 45? So I play with 45 now. I choose to play with 45. 45 I will count, but I will count in Hindi. I will count in Hindi.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
1, 2,
6, 7.
3. अरे why I am counting? Here 15 पहले से ही है ना, तो 15 तक क्यों काउंट कर? चलो करते हैं 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then we take a turn. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 45 मतलब क्या होता है? पेंता मतलब 5. There is one thing, हाँ, हिंदी की गिनती बहुत मुश्किल है और इंग्लिश की गिनती बहुत आसान है, मगर इंग्लिश के वर्ड्स बहुत मुश्किल है. हाँ, इंग्लिश में there is this magic E, CUP cup, CUT cut.
But if you want to say cup, means C-U-P.
But TUT put.
Put.
That is difficult in English. But in Hindi, words are very simple, but there is no pattern in the counting. This is some issue in Hindi. Okay, so now we are at 45. Now we will go reverse, huh? 45. Now we will consider it as 1. 1, 2, 3. Hey! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
What happened to your voice?
24, 25, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 44, and 45.
Finally.
45 ended where we predicted it to be. Where we predicted it to be, that's where the 45 ended. So this is how you have to play the game. Do you want to try with any other number? One more number. So we make it 51.
Oh, sure.
We tried with 50, 45. So should we try it with an even number? So we try it with 60. Okay, we will try it with 60.
Okay. So
One more
let's
time.
start with
Let us see if it ends here. 1, 2, 3. यहाँ 15 हो गया. 15, 16, 17, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150, 151, 55 56 57 58 59 60 60 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 and then 60. It ended where we predicted it to be. So this is how the whole game has to be played. So you now know how to place your blocks here, how to select your end position, and how to change your game and play with a different set of blocks where total number of blocks are different. And if you want to thank anybody, thank our math magician here. So thank you very much, and in next video we will come up with a lot of more interesting facts, characteristics, properties of number 9, and a lot of magic tricks based on 9. 9 is a magical number. You remember in our classes we did digital root of 9. That is the treasure house for magic tricks. 9 समझिए, it is panacea for everything. Lot of magic tricks are based on number 9. So we will come up with the next trick. If you have any question about this, post it in WhatsApp group and we will answer.
See you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye. And I will